Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to fix unable to join Discord server.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
If you are unable to join a Discord server, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So the first method would be ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. A poor or intermittent connection might prevent you from joining servers. Another method: close Discord completely and reopen it. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Another method: make sure you're using the latest version of Discord, check for updates within the Discord app, or download the latest version from the official website. Next method: double check the server invitation link or code to ensure it is valid and has not expired. If the invitation is incorrect, you won't be able to join the server. Another method: some servers might have reached their user capacity, preventing new members from joining. If this is the case, you may need to wait until there is space available. Next method: if you are using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with your ability to join servers. Disable them and try joining the server again. Another method: ensure that your firewall or security software is not blocking Discord. Adjust your firewall settings to allow Discord to access the internet. Another method: if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. Make sure to back up any important data or settings before reinstalling. Lastly, if the issue persists, consider reaching out to Discord support or visiting their community forums for further assistance.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.